Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy cheesy shrimp and grits. If you're interested, keep watching. Cooking made easy. Hi, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Bon Goût Seasoning. Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic seasoning, organic meat seasoning, cooking base, hot pepper sauce, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, and so much more. If you're interested in trying our product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. In this channel, I post quick and easy recipe. I also post behind the scene video of how I run my business. If you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing. Alright, let's start with our recipe. So we have some shrimp, a pound of shrimp. I have some red onion. I have some red bell pepper. We have some sausage. And before I started the video, I already prepped all my ingredients. We have some cheese. I have some mozzarella cheese. Feel free to use whatever cheese you like. We have some butter. And I have some grits. This is the brand that I am using. Whichever brand that you like, you are comfortable with, please feel free to use that. We have some tomato sauce, oil, and we are using the organic meat seasoning for this recipe. Alright, let's get started. Before we get started, I'm going to boil some water so that our grits can cook. And I'm going to add some salt, butter, and we are going to let it boil. So while the water is boiling, we are going to season the shrimp. And when you are seasoning the meat, adjust the meat seasoning based on the amount of meat or shrimp that you are using. Now that the shrimp is all fully coated with the meat seasoning, I'm just going to let it sit for 5 minutes before we start making the sauce. Now that the water is boiling, we are going to add the grits. And when you add the grits, keep stirring because you don't want to have any clumps. I'm going to raise the heat a little bit right now. Keep stirring. So now that the grit is in a nice consistency that I like, I'm going to add the cheese. And I'm also going to add a little bit of butter. Keep stirring. This is going to come out amazing. Now that the grit is ready, it is in the nice consistency that I like. Cheese has melted, butter has melted. It is perfect. So now we are going to turn off the stove and work on the sauce. Okay guys, so now we are going to start working on our sauce. So the pot is already hot. I'm going to add some oil. And then I'm going to add our sausage to cook. Up to you. I like mine a little bit brown. Not too crispy, but brown. So allow your sausage to cook. Now that the sausage has a nice color that I like, I'm going to add the red bell pepper. I'm going to add the onion. We are going to add our shrimp last. Not last, before the tomato sauce. And now we're going to allow our veggies to get tender. And this is how I like my sausage to look like. If you don't like it like that, you don't have to let it cook for that long. Now that our veggies are tender, now we are going to add the seasoned shrimp. Keep stirring, but make sure don't overcook your shrimp because you don't want it to be rubbery. But keep stirring until the shrimp is nearly cooked. Now that the shrimp has a nice color, I know that the shrimp is almost ready. Now I'm going to add the tomato sauce. If you have tomato paste, you can use that as well. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. I just rinse whatever was left on the tomato sauce. Add it in there. And I'm just going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. And this is the consistency we are looking for our sauce. Really nice, super delicious. At this point, our recipe is pretty much ready. Let's get ready for plating. And guys, as you can see, I didn't add anything else in the sauce because the meat seasoning already has everything in there, packed with flavor. This came out so good. Alright guys, now that our recipe is done, let's get ready to serve. Look at this. I hope you guys try this recipe. There you go. As you can see, it was very easy to make. And the meat seasoning has a little kick to it. Look at that. And guys, we are done. Alright guys, I showed you the final product. It is so good. This is the final product. Quick and easy, cheesy shrimp and grits. Hi guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you guys try this recipe. It came out perfect and I'm definitely going to try it again. Guys, please remember to subscribe to help my channel grow. And thank you so much for your support. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye! Cooking made easy.